A big welcome to what is the 17th Maths Hub Leeds Forum. It's great that we're all gathering together again. We're now 37 Maths Hubs, soon to be 40, and we're reaching a remarkable number of schools across the country and making a big difference to maths education.
Every school in England now has a maths hub to work with. Each of these coloured jigsaw pieces is an area covered by a maths hub. Collectively, they form a national network. The number of schools who've participated in Maths Hub projects has grown significantly, from a few hundred when the programme started, with year-on-year large numbers joining, so that by summer 2019, 11,000 were involved. Each hub is led and administered by a lead school, which is the workplace of the Maths Hub lead. But the hub is so much more than just one school.
A Maths Hub is a network of schools where we have professionals all working together, everything from early years all the way up through until getting ready for university. And in terms of phases of career, we have everything from working with ITT up the way through, and a big idea of retention and keeping really good quality staff in the profession.
The aim is about improving the quality of maths education for the children we work with. So we try things out in classroom, make changes to practice, and we use expertise from across the region to bring that together at face-to-face days and work group lead sessions.
Rather than being just one school sharing best practice, actually it's a whole network of schools and a network of different professionals, different phases, trying to share that best practice across the whole of the county for us.
Maths Hubs aren't just about professional development for individual teachers, they're about affecting transformational change in schools.
I have a fantastic EY lead, for instance. I have a whole army of primary mastery specialists, and I have a group of secondary teachers and a level 3 lead that helps support the work that I do.
Whether it's early years, primary, secondary, post-16, it's a belief that underpins all the work that every child can achieve and every child can think as a mathematician.
You can't do it by yourself, you can't do it as one school. You need to tap into those other networks that are in your region if you are going to create something that is as big as Maths Hubs have become.
A key feature of all Maths Hub's activity is the work group, which is the model of professional and school development used across the network. It has these key features. 1 or 2 teachers from a handful of schools form the work group. They're led by a teacher or former teacher, expert in the maths area in question and in leading CPD. The group meets several times a year, working on ideas together, with aims linked to the teacher's development, students' learning, and improvements across a school or department. All work groups are part of and contribute their findings to national projects. National level workshops bring work group leads together to discuss findings and plan future work. This way, local experience feeds into national development. Every year, Maths Hub projects span the age ranges, always focusing on finding small improvements to classroom practice that will help students learn maths more securely. Teaching for mastery lies at the heart of a large proportion of Maths Hub's work. It's work that is showing increasing promise and being praised by influential bodies.
These are algebra tiles.
Teachers in Maths Hub projects also contribute to the creation of professional development materials to help teachers work together to design lessons, plan teaching and choose resources.
They are incredible materials that will give teachers the subject knowledge that they need to design really high quality maths lessons.
Gradual and continuing improvement in how schools help their pupils learn maths is what Maths Hubs are all about. It's what the teachers who've worked for years in the programme have found immensely rewarding.
The real highlight is watching youngsters grow in confidence when they really understand mathematics. And it's teaching for mastery that has enabled me to do that. What a special privilege.
What we are doing is making a difference, and it is. We are transforming education and we are changing children's lives.